Harrison and Grace Charleston is being promoted as a boutique-style clothing store with big discounts and a compelling brand story. But there are strong signs that follows a pattern commonly linked to scam or drop-shipping sites. The website usually presents itself as a small local boutique with a closing sale or limited-time discounts, often up to 70 or even 80% off. This kind of emotional storytelling and urgency is designed to make you buy quickly without thinking too much. However, this exact formula has been seen across many similar stores. Investigations into lookalike sites show that these shops often rely on social media ads, extremely low prices, and polished product images to attract buyers. Once people place orders, the most common outcomes reported include long shipping times, receiving items that look nothing like the photos, or sometimes receiving nothing at all. There are also reports across similar Charleston boutique stores where customers receive poor quality items and were asked to pay expensive international return shipping just to get a refund, which many never receive. This pattern is important because many of these stores are not unique brands. They're often rebranded versions of the same operation. Changing names frequently once negative reviews build up. So, is Harrison and Grace Charleston real or fake? It's not officially confirmed as a scam, but it shows multiple high-risk warning signs that are very common in unreliable online fashion stores. The bottom line is that Harrison and Grace Charleston is likely another drop-shipping style or rebranded store with questionable reliability. So it's best to be cautious or avoid it altogether. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.